Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix upload failed in ElevenLabs. So actually guys, first we'll need to check the file format and size. The supported formats are the WAV or MP3, and the maximum size usually 5 or 50 megabytes, may vary by plan, and the quality should be clear audio with minimal background noise. And the tip for cloning 10 to 60 seconds for clear voice is recommended. And if your file is too big or in another format, convert it first. And then you will need to check your internet connection as well. So ensure your connection is stable and fast, and avoid public Wi-Fi or VPNs that may block uploads, and try switching networks as well. Like you can switch from the current Wi-Fi to another one, or from a mobile Wi-Fi to a mobile data, and vice versa. Also, I do really advise you to clear the browser cache, so just go ahead and click on these three dots on the top right corner of the browser, and then just go with the settings, the second last option. And now just go with the left hand menu and click on privacy and security, then go with delete browsing data. And now I do really advise you to go with last hour, then delete data, go to the ElevenLabs and refresh the page and check the uploading again. If it's didn't work, go with last 24 hours, delete data, and do the same until it works. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.